Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove emoji from a picture only with your Instagram. So you must be confused why we have to use Instagram to remove an emoji. This is because there will be like a hidden or hacks that you can use to remove emoji from a picture, but you need to consider that this hacks only works in specific photo. You can find the details only in this video. So you just need to visit your profile right away and tap into this plus button with the blue color there to access your photo library, and then you just need to pick the picture that containing emoji on it. Now just need to go click this three small dot on the top right corner and just go click draw. You can just choose or pick the pen type that you want, but I will like to suggest you to use the left side here. Now adjusting the brush, I will like to make it bigger, so I will like to drag these dots into the upper side. The next thing we need to do is adjusting the color. We need to go click this color picker and place this color picker into the nearest area with the emoji itself. Right after that, we just need to like scratching down, and you'll see the emoji is just disappear. Now the thing that you have to do is just go click done, go click this three small dot again and save, and this photo already saved into your camera rolls. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.